Let's start with question number one. Given below is a balance sheet of Raja, Rani, and Pradhan, who were partners in a firm, sharing profit and losses in the ratio of 5 is to 3 is to 2. The balance sheet as on 31st March 2019 was as follows. Creditor, it's a liability, will go to balance sheet liability side. Overdraft is also liability, will go to balance sheet liability side. Reserve fund is accumulated profit. This profit will be distributed among all these three partners in this old ratio 5 is to 3 is to 2. Capital account opening balance, because there will be multiple transaction. Cash account opening balance, again there will be multiple transaction, and all these assets will be shown on balance sheet asset side because there will be maximum one or two adjustment. Okay, no need to open an account. Now, on 1st April 2018, Pradhan retired on the following terms. Out of these three partners, Pradhan retired from the partnership firm. What were the terms and conditions? First, goodwill of the firm will be raised in the books 20,000. रिटायरमेंटच्या दिवशी फर्मचं गुडविल व्हॅल्यू केलं. गुडविल ऑफ द फर्म केम रुपीज 20,000. बरोबर, मग 20,000 बॅलन्स शीट मध्ये दिसत आहेत का? नाही. सो फर्स्ट विल हॅव टू रेज द गुडविल. वी विल पास एंट्री goodwill account debit to all partners capital account. Why all partners? Because this goodwill is because of effort of these three partners. So all partners capital account. Amount of goodwill is payable to everyone. And in which ratio? Old ratio 5 is to 3 is to 2. So entry for goodwill will be goodwill account debit to all partners capital account. Second, stock to be reduced by 10%, furniture by 5%, machinery by 11%. So in all three cases, value of the asset is reducing. So first effect, less from asset. Second effect, revaluation account debit side. Is it clear? It's a loss. We'll go to nominal revaluation account. Revaluation is a nominal account, and the rule of nominal account is debit all expenses and losses, credit all income and gain. All are expenses, losses, that's why it will be debited to revaluation account. Next, RDD is to be maintained at the rate of 5% on debtor. Again, same effect, my debtor reduces, so one effect will be less from debtor. Second effect, it's my loss, so loss है तो P&L nominal account debit, revaluation account debit. Next, rupees 200 to be written off from creditor. Creditor is my liability. This will have an adjustment, so it will be written in inner column. First effect, less from creditor as my creditor reduces. Second effect, it's my profit. When liability reduces, it's my profit, so it will be credited to revaluation account. And the last one, out of the amount due to Pradhan, rupees 5,000 to be paid by cash. Whatever is the amount payable to Pradhan. See, Pradhan is retiring. His capital only is 33,000. So we have to pay him at least 33,000. But out of this also, right, we are paying him immediately rupees 5,000 in cash. How much we are paying? Rupees 5,000 in cash. And what about remaining amount? And the remaining amount we transfer to his loan account. So whatsoever is payable to him, remaining amount after paying 5,000, whatsoever is the remaining amount, that will be transferred to his loan account. That will be shown on balance sheet liability side as loan taken from Pradhan. Prepare P&L adjustment account, that means revaluation account, capital account and balance sheet of the firm. Okay. So let's proceed with the question. See, I have prepared the solution like this. See, this is my revaluation account, cash bank account because cash will come in and go out, goodwill account because goodwill is to be raised. This is the capital account of Raja, Rani and Pradhan, and this is my balance sheet. Balance sheet as on which date? 31st March 2019. 31st March 2000, 2019. Okay. Now let's start with the question. First one is creditor 11,200. So here I will write creditor. It's a liability 11,200. This is my liability which have an adjustment. That's why I have written it in an inner column. एक जागा सोडून ठेवतो. Then bank OD 9,700. Bank OD do not have any adjustment, so I write it in a outer column. 9,700. Now next one is reserve fund 15,000. So reserve fund will be written in capital account. But first I'll have to write opening balance. Opening balance I will write later on, and then I will write reserve fund. Reserves will be distributed. And what is the entry for distribution of reserve? See, reserves are having credit balance. To close it, debit. Reserves are having credit balance. To close it, debit. So entry will be reserve account debit, and it is to be paid to partners. हे पैसे पार्टनरला द्यायचे. पार्टनर माझे क्रेडिटर झाले, that's why credit. पार्टनर माझे क्रेडिटर झाले, that's why credit. So reserve fund credit. So here I will distribute how much? 15,000. And in which ratio? 5:3:2. See, orally आपण करू शकतो, तोंडी करू शकतो, सोपं आहे. 5 and 3 8, 8 and 2 10. So total of this 10. If you divide 10, 15,000 by 10, answer will be 1,500. एक शून्य कमी होणार. So 1,500 multiplied by 5, 1,500 multiplied by 3, 1,500 multiplied by 2. So 15 5s are 7,500, 15 3s are 4,500, and 15 2s are. So this should be the distribution. बघा या दोघांची टोटल झाली 7.5, 7.5, 7.5, 15. So the distribution is over. Now capital account 42,000 Raja ka opening balance. Then Rani 37,000, and then Pradhan 33,200. So thus my liability side is over. Now asset side. Cash bank account opening balance 7,600. So I'll go to cash account debit side. This is my cash account debit side. Opening balance 7,600. Next debtor asset side 18,000. I'll write it on balance sheet. Asset side debtors 18,000. It have an adjustment. Stock 17,500. Stock 17,500. Next, machinery 30,000. 30,000. Having an adjustment, that's why I'm writing it in an inner column. Land 70,000. Now I am wondering whether land has got adjustment or not. So I won't waste time in thinking. I will directly write it in an inner column. Adjustment असेल तर करूया, नसेल तर डॅश करून बाहेर घेऊ. जास्त विचार करायचा नाही. Then furniture 5,000. Furniture 5,000. Adjustment inner column. Now this is the same thing which you have done in admission of partner also. Right? Now the next adjustment will always have two effects. First, goodwill of the firm to be raised in the books 20,000. What will be the entry for goodwill raised? Same entry as you did in admission of the partner. goodwill account debit to old partners capital. These all partners are old. So here entry will be goodwill account debit to all partners. And which ratio? Raising of the goodwill is always old ratio. Old ratio is 5 is to 3 is to 2. So divide by 10. If you divide 20,000 by 10, answer will be 2,000. 2 5s are 10, 2 3s are 6, 2 2s are 4. So distribution will be 10,000, 6,000, 4,000. So entry will be goodwill account debit. So I'll go to goodwill account debit side to Raja capital 10,000, to Rani's capital 6,000, to Pradhan capital 4,000. So total is 20,000. Second effect, revaluation account credit side goodwill. राजाला 10,000 द्यायचे गुडविलचे, त्याला 6 द्यायचे, त्याला 4 द्यायचे. Because efforts for goodwill is taken by all the three partners. Only one entry for goodwill raise. Next entry, stock are to be reduced by 10%, furniture by 5%, machinery by 11%. Every time this is reducing, asset is reducing. So go to assets. Let's take one by one. First, stock by 10%. So I'll write here stock by 10%. Then furniture by 5%. Furniture to be reduced by 5%. Okay. And the third one is machinery by 11%. This is my machinery 11%. Chalo, let's calculate. Here 1750. Okay. हे टाकले त्याचा अडीच आणि 15. So answer will be 15,750. बरोबर. 750, 750, 16,500, 17,500. Okay. Here 3,300. Okay. तर याचे उरले 700 टाकले की 4 आणि 24. Okay. 27, 27. Okay. And here furniture 5%. So 250. Outer column 4750. Now we gave effect of this amount 1750, 3,300 and 250. Now the second effect of this will be treated, it will be given on revaluation account debit side. Stock reduced by 1750, right? Then to furniture by 250 and to machinery by 3,300. It's a loss. When it's a loss, it will be debited revaluation account because it's a nominal account. And the rule of nominal account is debit all expenses and losses, credit all income and gain. First effect, right? Expenses, that's why revaluation account debit side. Second effect, less from assets. Clear? Now, next. RBDD to be maintained at 5% on debtor. My debtor will reduce by 5%. So first effect, less from debtor. Where is my debtor? Here is my debtor. I will write here RDD 5% is 900. So 17,100 left. Now my debtor realizable is 17,100. So loss of 900. Second effect will go to revaluation account debit side. I will write here 2 RDD. First effect 900. Okay. Now next one, creditor to be written off by 200. Creditors कमी होणार. So first I will reduce from my creditor, right? I will say written off. So outer column it will be 11,000. Second effect, it's my profit. When my liability reduces, it's my profit. So profit nominal account के rule के हिसाब से credit. And now the last adjustment. out of the amount payable to Pradhan, out of the amount payable to Pradhan, 5,000 to be paid in cash. Immediately we are paying how much? 5,000 in cash, and remaining amount to be transferred to his loan account. So first pass entry for amount paid to Pradhan in cash. When amount is paid to Pradhan, Pradhan account debit to cash bank. Pradhan is receiver, we are paying to Pradhan, right? Pradhan receiver झाला म्हणून debit, and cash went out, so cash account credit. I will write here by Pradhan's capital account. 5,000 we paid. Now when we will close Pradhan account, the balance in Pradhan account will be transferred to balance sheet liability side. So now it's done. Now let's close revaluation account first. As usual, debit side seems to be more. So take a total 0, 5, 5, 10, carried down 1, 9 आणि 1, 10, 10 आणि 3, 13, 13 आणि 7, 20, 20 आणि 2, 22, चले 2, 2 आणि 3, 3, 3, 6. So total is 6,200. Let's counter check 0, 10, चला 1, 10 आणि 3, 13 आणि 15 आणि 7, 22, चले 2, 3, 5 आणि 6. So total is 6,200. The same amount we will write on credit side also. And from this 6,200, हे जेव्हा 200 जाणार तेव्हा balance उरला 6,000. That means net amount on revaluation of all the assets and liabilities is my 6,000. 6,000 रुपयाचा लॉस झाला. किती रुपयाचा लॉस झाला? 6,000 रुपयाचा लॉस झाला. हा लॉस मला तिघांमध्ये वाटायचा आहे, सगळ्या पार्टनर मध्ये, राजा, राणी आणि प्रधान. बरोबर. कोणत्या रेशो मध्ये वाटणार? तोच तुमचा जुना रेशो. बरोबर. जुना रेशो कोणता? 50, 3, 2. सो डिवाइड बाय 10, कॉन्स्टंट आले 600. एक शून्य कमी झाला तर कॉन्स्टंट आला 600. 600 मल्टीप्लाइड बाय 5, 5 30, 3,000. 600 मल्टीप्लाइड बाय 3, साहित्रिक 18. ओके. आणि 6 दुणे 12. So the total is 6,000. Check करा 2, 3, 3, 3, 6. So the entry became, we always read entry anti-clockwise. Anti-clockwise entry becomes capital account debit to revaluation. What does entry becomes? Capital account debit to revaluation. So second effect will go to capital account debit side, revaluation account. Okay. How much? 3,000, then 1,800, and then 1,200. ओके. पार्टनरला एवढे द्यायचे आणि त्याच्याकडनं एवढे घ्यायचे. सो लेट्स फर्स्ट क्लोज प्रधान अकाउंट, बिकॉज प्रधान इज द पर्सन हु इज गेटिंग रिटायर्ड. त्याला किती द्यायचे टोटल बघा? 200च्या 200, 4, 3, 3, 6, 6 आणि 4, 10. चला 1, 3 आणि 1, 4. आय रिपीट, 200, 3, 3, 6, 4, 10, चला 1. ओके. सो 40,200, 40,200 टोटल त्याला द्यायचे. अँड फ्रॉम हिम 6,200 इज रिसिवेबल. 5,000 तर त्याला दिलेत, तर 1,200 रुपये लॉसचे त्याच्याकडनं वसूल करायचे. म्हणजे आपल्याला त्याच्याकडून त्याला अजून किती द्यायचे? द डिफरन्स इज 4,000. द डिफरन्स इज हाऊ मच? 34,000. This is the balance amount payable to him, which will go to loan account. And how do we got this figure as a balancing figure? So the entry for this will be capital account debit to loan account. Entry will be capital account debit to loan account, and this will appear on my balance sheet liability side. Pradhan loan 34,000. म्हणजे प्रधानला आपल्याला 34,000 द्यायचे. प्रधान इज नाउ रिलेटेड टू फर्म. आपला क्रेडिटर झाला, त्याला द्यायचेत म्हणून प्रधान बिझनेस मध्ये येऊ शकतो, बट ही कॅनॉट टेक अ डिसिजन ऑन बिहाफ ऑफ फर्म. फर्म साठी तो काही डिसिजन घेऊ शकत नाही. नाव हिअर ऑनवर्ड ही इज नॉट आवर पार्टनर. यांचे बघा 500चे 500 परत हे 10 झाले म्हणजे 47. 47,500 बरोबर. त्यांची टोटल किती आली 42 आणि 10 52 आणि 59,500. Okay, so here I will write 59,500 आणि 47,500 यांना एवढे द्यायचे आणि या दोघांकडनं एवढे पैसे घ्यायचे. त्याच्याकडनं 1800 घ्यायचे, त्याच्याकडनं 3,000 रुपये घ्यायचे. सो रिमेनिंग अमाऊंट इज देअर बॅलन्स कॅरीड डाऊन. त्यांचे पैसे बिझनेस मध्ये गुंतलेले आहेत ऍज अ कॅपिटल. ते किती उरले 56,500 उरले. आणि याचे 0 8 आणि 7 15 चला 1 2 2 आणि 5 7 सो 45,700 हा त्यांचा बॅलन्स आला. सो नाव ऑनवर्ड देर आर ओनली 2 पार्टनर्स, राजा आणि राणी. आणि राजाचं कॅपिटल आहे 56,500 आणि याचं आहे राणीचं आहे 45,700. दिस इज माय कॅपिटल अकाउंट. कॅपिटल अकाउंट राजाचं आहे 56,500 आणि राणीचं आहे 45,700. हे दोघच पार्टनर आहेत. टोटल मारा 7 5 12 चला 1 6 6 12 चला 1 9 1 10 1,02,200. Okay, so this is my liability. Now there are 2 assets with me which are also to be closed, that is cash account. माझ्याकडे 7,600 कॅश होती. 5,000 मी प्रधानला दिले तर 2,600 रुपये माझ्याकडे उरले. ओके, so I will write this as my balance carried down into bracket balancing figure 2,600. That will be shown on my balance sheet asset side as an asset. Cash bank balance 2,600. Similarly, there is one more asset, goodwill, because I just raised goodwill. मी फक्त goodwill raise केलं, close केलं नाही, write off केलं नाही. So goodwill account will have balance. It will be shown on my balance sheet asset side that firm has a goodwill of 20,000. The firm to goodwill at 20,000. So I will write here goodwill of the firm 20,000. See, land and building was not having any adjustment, so we'll take it to the outer column as it is. So let's do a total. 0 बरोबर, इकडे 5 5 आणि 5 10 चला 1 1 आणि 1 2 2 आणि 7 9 9 आणि 7 16 16 आणि 7 16 आणि 7 23 23 आणि 6 29 सत्याले 2 7 आणि 2 9 9 आणि 5 14 14 आणि 6 20 20 आणि 4 24 24 आणि 2 26 सत्याले 2 2 आणि 1 3 3 आणि 1 4 4 आणि 2 6 6 आणि 7 13 13 आणि 2 15. So 1,56,900 is the total. Let's counter check it here also. 2 0 आहेत, नंतर 2 2 आणि 7 9 आता काही नाही आला. 2 आणि 1 3 3 आणि 9 12 12 आणि 4 16 आता आला 1 1 आणि 1 2 2 आणि 3 5 आणि एकाचा 1. 1,56,900 1,56,900 बॅलन्स शीट टॅली. सोपा आहे का? Is anybody having any doubt?